Self-love is the starting point for being able to truly and selflessly love and show love to others. Without loving yourself, it is hard to be completely selfless in a relationship with anyone. It's important because it is the foundation of all good relationships with others. Self love is the key to mental health and well being, keeping depression away and anxiety at bay. It is time to give yourself the most important gift ever: self love. Self love is your secret weapon to living a fulfilling life. That's because your inner world creates your outer world. Before you receive love and respect from others, you need to love and respect yourself. Some people equate self love with selfishness, but that's not true. Delete this idea and say to yourself, it's okay to put my needs first. The good news is when you love yourself fully, you feel your soul and become the highest version of yourself. Self love is important for a reason. It has profound impact on how we see ourselves and how we treat ourselves. It is important to practice self love daily. Self love motivates you to make healthy choices in life. These things may be in the form of eating healthy, exercising, or having healthy relationships. You express your love for yourself by doing things that help you to show up in life as the best version of you. Self love is also important when it comes to setting boundaries in relationships. You must have a clear understanding of what your boundaries are, and being able to set them communicates that you have value for yourself and you're likely to have more fulfilling relationships. Your relationship with yourself sets the tone for the relationship you have with others. When you treat yourself with love and respect, you give others permission to do the same. Figure out what you're good at and what you're not. Understand the fact that no one is good at everything, and work on improvising yourself and your strength. Eliminate toxic relationships. The road to loving yourself is going to be extremely bumpy if you are trying to get there with the toxic people in your life. Get rid of those stinking thinking. Find ways that work for you to challenge your inner critic and bash negative self-talk. Move ahead with authenticity. If you are someone who hides a part of yourself to get along, make the changes so that you can be true and authentic self everywhere you go. Treat yourself well. Take time to appreciate yourself, congratulate yourself. Have a great meal, to do something fun. The thing between you and success and happiness is you, yourself. So get some self-love. Well, no one is responsible for their own happiness but themselves. Stop pleasing everyone and put yourself first. Understand your worth and value yourself. Practice self-love to be in a healthy, balanced relationship. Self-love and alone time are essential to having a healthy relationships. When you take time to take care of yourself and give yourself what you need, you are much better partner, friend, companion to yourself. You also are less dependent and waiting for others to fulfill you. Treat yourself and practice self-love by meditating, doing yoga, getting a massage, etc. Also remember, perfecting ourselves wasn't a key to happiness. Self-love is our key to happiness. You are unique. There is nobody else like you in the world, and that's pretty incredible, isn't it? A conscious choice to love and accept yourself can change your life for the better. Self-love represents an inner peace. Self-love is the ability to realize that we are imperfect. We're not meant to be perfect because we're human. Love yourself because it's important.